Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ferrari 812 versus SF90, which is better. Listen for differences in engine, hybrid tech, and driving feel to decide which fits your style. I'll cover straight line speed, cornering, and daily usability with clear examples and plain language. Focus on horsepower, torque delivery, and the hybrid system's impact. By the end, you'll have practical reasons to prefer one car. Stick around for a final comparison summary. I'll break down performance between the two cars and highlight real-world numbers and sensations. Expect straight-line acceleration, lap pace, and throttle response comparisons presented simply. We'll talk about engine character, weight distribution, and braking feel to explain why numbers matter on road and track. Keep an ear out for how the hybrid boost changes launch behavior and mid-range power delivery compared to a pure V12. I'll point out what transfers to daily driving. Quick recommendation: if you pack snacks for track days, consider these leak-proof meal prep containers that keep sauces sealed and lunches fresh. They save time, prevent spills in your trunk, and stack neatly in a garage shelf. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Thanks for the support. Let's look at ownership costs, maintenance, and usability differences so buyers know trade-offs. We'll compare fuel economy, service intervals, insurance factors, and depreciation to show real ownership math. Consider garage space, cargo, and visibility for daily use, plus charging needs if you plan mixed commuting. I'll summarize which owner profile suits each car based on budget, tech appetite, and intended use, so you can make a confident choice. Thanks for listening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.